Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the concept of long and short. We will describe objects based on their lengths. I have here 2 pencils. Are they of the same length? No, they are of different lengths. This pencil is long. This pencil is short. This roller is short. This roller is long. This rope is long. This rope is short. This yarn is short. This yarn is long. This log is long. This log is short. I have here another set of pictures, and it's your turn to describe whether it is long or short. Good job, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!